Okay, what is Sierra eating? Well, let's turn it over and maybe take a look from this point of view. Now, does that look like a beak? Yes. And, oh, maybe this is also a beak. Oh, and is this one of the top of the chicken head? Ooh, does Sierra, is that another beak? And a beak and a, is that 5 chicken heads? Look at that mouth. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, that's about 5 chicken heads. You can see the eyeballs are about dark right there. And so you can see that's an eyeball. There's the beak. And see, I want to see the brain. Oh, I think Sierra broke into it. Okay, right there. Can we move your mouth for a minute? The gray stuff, I don't know if you can tell it's gray. It's frozen, so it's not nearly as gross as if this was not frozen. I don't think I could be poking around. But yeah, relatively easy to eat a chicken head. That is most definitely the brain right there. See the gray? That is inside the skull. She's just gnawing away. Oh man, she just split that beak. She just ate the bottom half of the beak. This is really a little bit gross. Grosser than I was thinking. Wow, that's it. She ate the brain out of it, and that's the inside of the skull. It's just looks like half a marble. I'm just wondering what kind of stuff is good for you. Is the beak good? Is that calcium, like a bone, or and then like that thing on top of their head, the coxcomb or whatever? I know the brain has to be good. I mean, it doesn't look like there's a ton of meat per se, but obviously the skull is bone, so that's good. Trying to get her to, oh, that's gross. Gross. Trying to see if she can loosen it up so I can grab one whole head. Oh, there we go. Good job, Sierra. Let's see what we got here. I mean, like, I think this is 2 heads. There's the beak. Okay. Here, this is the upside down chicken. There's his eye. Can you see it? There's his eye. That's some kind of nostril. There's his beak, and there's his coxcomb. I can see some more gray, which I'm just absolutely sure is brain, or, yeah, brain. Right there.